Gonna have to cut the grass pretty soon. Tomatoes are looking healthy. No beans yet. Yeah, I see a couple sprouting. I see some green sprouts coming up. A couple of them are sprouting. Oh yeah, I got about 8 or 10 inches of water in there. We'll plug it back in for a little while. I wonder if I can get it in a standing position. I can suck all the water out of there. Okay, it's standing. For how long, I have no idea. Get it just a little more. That might actually stay up. We'll plug it in and see what happens. Let it run for about an hour, then I'll unplug her. Now would be a good time to do a bit of a vlog. Had to go over to Walmart this morning and pick up some medication. How do you know when you're an old fart? You don't feel like one. Your entire life, when you look at other people that are your age, you don't see a whole lot of difference. They're the same generation. Well, that has a tendency to change. Today at Walmart, I'm waiting in line to get my medication. I see this old guy in front of me, a decrepit old guy. He looks like he's about 90 maybe. Well, you have to give your name and birth date when you get up there to give you your medication. And I heard him say 11 something 47. And here I was thinking he was an old fart. I'm older than him by a good 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, good 6 months. And I was thinking to myself the whole time, I wish that old fart would hurry up. You don't consider yourself an old fart. I just turned 73 this week. And sometimes I feel like an old fart. But I didn't know I looked like one, but that guy had all the qualifications. I bought me a cordless impact driver, impact wrench, whatever. I didn't know you had to buy adapters to fit in there. You can't fit a socket straight onto them like you would a regular impact wrench. Anything to get more money out of you, and then they sell the batteries separate. That costs even more. So I got one that comes with 2 batteries and a charger. Most of them come without the battery. I was going to go to Harbor Freight, but I went to Lowe's and bought it. Harbor Freight is almost as much anyways. I went ahead and bought it from Lowe's. I get my 10% veterans discount at Lowe's anyway. A lot of the cordless impact wrenches that they sell are that comes without a battery. This one here costs a little more, but it comes with 2 batteries and a charger. The one they tried to hand me in my buggy looked like it had been returned. I put it back and went and bought one of these DeWalt's. And they tried to sell me a Cobalt, but they only come with one battery and no charger or whatever. I get tired of hurting my hands out there working on projects with a ratchet. To make my little projects go a little easier, I decided I wanted a new toy. This has a nice case with it. It's not real super heavy. That's good. I'll get it on charge and we'll put it to use out there working on that lawnmower this week. Oh, I haven't charged it. And it's got some good power to it. Ain't that some kind of cool? Now how do you turn it off? Maybe it's on a timer. Yeah, it went off automatic. I kind of like that little play toy. I think everybody ought to have some new toys. I bought myself a birthday present. It's basically what I done. That is a nice toy. Pretty little something. Try to keep it in a case and keep it clean. That ought to last every bit of a week. All my other stuff down there that came with a case, the case is somewhere in the basement. Couldn't find it if I wanted to. DeWalt makes pretty good product. I looked at Craftsman, I looked at Cobalt, and I looked at, I don't know, 2 or 3 different brands. Made in the USA. I kind of doubt all those products were made in the United States. They probably assembled it in the United States. I bet everything in there come from China.